Hello everyone, Sam is from myfirstmagicwave.com, making this a small video about the trades last week, trades taken. It's a weekly recap, so let's get started. So this is the first trade. The entry was on the last Friday, but I closed on the 3rd. Euro Aussie. Okay, this is very good trade by the book. Entry at 70.33 all the way up to 71.84 from one level to another level, 120 pip. The other one is on the 4th. I have several. On the 3rd is only one. On the 4th, I have this pound USD. Okay, short setup all the way down here to the rising TL. Sell order here. SL move to break even and for 90 pip. Right, and then same way pound CAD, almost the same trade, right, to the downside, sell on the 4th. And also Euro Aussie, beautiful short after I had a long, right, remember on 71.84, big level, and that's why the price makes the turn from there. This was a very good entry here. I took that, but my SL got hit at break even, and then took this new entry and all the way down 130 pip. Actually, it was more than that, but that's that's how it is. Okay, it was 210 pip. The same entry, see that? But I had that trade continue, and the target was 68, 62, as you can see on here. You see this? I was here, but I said the target is 68, 62. At the time, I was here 69.26. So I was waiting for the target to hit, and exactly that happened. And I closed the trade for 210 pip. So this is euros in the 4th. On the 5th, there's nothing. And the 6th, I have this USD yen. Right? It was not even the Magic IB setup, but I just took it for some other reason. And nice 115 pip. On the 6th, this is the Magic IB system. Beautiful entry. First trade was this one, remember? Then it went up again. Same thing happened here. This was the entry, but got out. I think it was a break even or 5 pip. I lost 5 pip or something. And here again, made an entry, the second entry, and 130 pip came out. Pound Aussie again. Pound was getting weaker, so all the pound pair went down. Beautiful by the book entry, right? You see, came down here and then went up. Beautiful entry. Yellow is below the black, and this indicator was all the way up, turning to the downside. Blue candle turned to red, and boom, and lower high. Right? So beautiful entry for 150 pip all the way down. This was because Euro Aussie. It was because of the Aussie strength as well. Aussie pairs where the Aussie was on the right hand side. These are the two that I usually trade: Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie. They both went down big time. And Pound Nuzi also because of pound weakness, right? And also Nuzi is getting strong, right? Was getting strong as well last week. So it's 100 pip, beautiful entry here. This was an entry, this was an entry, this was an entry. It's a lot of entries. The system gives you a lot of entries. And on the 8th, this was the last one. Remember this, well, not this one, but it was before that, right? And here was a nice entry here and all the way down here. I closed this on the 8th, but the entry was on the 7th. Okay, but it was somewhere here on the 7th. So I said, well, maybe it's supposed to go down a little more. So it went down. Yeah, 65.97 level I hit again. I was thinking that it might be breaking because it's a second hit, but it couldn't. Not last week, but maybe this week. Let's see. So finally, I closed this. That was 150 pip, no big deal, right? This is it for now. So now these are the trades taken. Only USD yen was taken without the setup, but all these trades were taken with the Magic IB setup. And setup is there all the time. All the pairs give you the setup, some more, some less. And the daily range is different for different pairs. Some pairs move only 60, 70 pips. Some pairs move 300 pip in a day, right? So that's the reason that I use mostly. I trade Euro Aussie, Pound CAD because they have almost more than 250 pip range a day. Okay, around 270, 280, 300 pip daily range. So you have a very good chance to make or have big trades like this for 150 pip, 210 pip. I had the euros that day, right? Yeah, right there, this one, right? And it was I made an entry, and then my target was already set that I want to go there, because and I knew that it's gonna go there, right? 68, 62 was the target, and nice and clean, boom, came and hit, right? That was my entry to here, 210 pip. So this is what it is. If you want to learn how to trade like that, and learn this Magic IV system and get the system, go on my website, myforexmagic.com, and become a subscriber, and get the system, make the charts ready. If you have any problem, I go on the Skype, and then I'll help you out setting up the charts and everything else. Okay, so that's it. This is how it is. Thanks for watching, and have a very wonderful rest of the week.